Today, because it's winter and some of you might be traveling in winter destination in Europe, I want to share with you the best spot to take photos in Poland and especially in Krakow. You will be able to download in the description the map with every spot I'll talk about. So I'm going to show you directly on the map where are the photo spots so you can better visualize. I'll be illustrating with some of my own photos I took when I lived there. To start with, the most photogenic spot in Krakow is in the main square, which is the city center. It's a beautiful spot for photos, but also to have a drink, and there are always events like markets, concerts, and more. So if you go on the spot number 1, here are the views that you can get. You face the church, but you also see the nice building that is in the center of the square. If you go on the opposite side of the square, you are able to get the arcades to frame the church if you have a wide-angle lens. You can get beautiful shots from there as well. Third spot is in Florianska Street, where you can get the old town buildings with a part of the church's tower. It looks beautiful in my opinion. Then, while you walk towards the castle, there is this beautiful street that is not a main street, so it's usually super quiet, but you'll be able to get some of the castle's tower and it looks quite nice. Once you climb up to the castle, you will find many great spots to shoot because this castle is just so beautiful, and that's crazy that you can find that in the middle of the city. If you go to this spot, here is the view that you can get. Now let's go away from the city center, cross the river, and you'll find another neighborhood with this beautiful church. Even if you don't like to shoot churches, I recommend to go check it out. So now, bonus spot in Wroclaw if you get a chance to visit while you're in Poland. This is my favorite spot in the city and one of my all-time favorite photos. Second bonus spot in Gdansk. Here we are in the main street where you can find the Neptune fountain, and from both sides of the street there are arcades. I don't have examples photo with the arcades, but here is a view on this street. Don't forget that you can get access to the map I just used, link is in the description. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you plan to travel to Poland or if you are planning to take some photos in Krakow's streets.